so got the mic hooked up back here. This is the Audix D4 with my homemade windscreen here right above the right tailpipe. So hopefully that does a little bit better than I heard in testing yesterday. Sounded good and grumbly, but there was a lot of wind noise, so hopefully that that homemade windscreen there takes that off. And let's see here. Front, got my super cheap Shure vocal mic. I think it's a SM48. And I tested this in a bunch of different locations around the engine yesterday. This location sounds the best, even though it is one of the hottest locations. So you can kind of see I put some foil around it. It didn't melt anything yesterday, but it was very hot to the touch. So hopefully that foil shielding helps it from some of the radiated heat anyway. But anyway, sounds good. Gets a lot of engine noise. Doesn't really get the blow-off valve that I was really hoping to get, that sound, but it does get the turbo spin up, as you'll hear. So anyway, let me go check the levels and get started. Alright, I checked the levels, everything looks good. Let's go for a drive, have some fun. Alright, let's see. I think both mics survived. Awesome. It's good times. Yep. Super hot. Hey, still working.